In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the volume of a pyramid. So we want to be able to substitute in the correct numbers, show all of our work, and then find the volume of a pyramid. Alright, so formula for volume of a pyramid is 1/3 capital BH, and what that actually stands for is 1/3 base area. Okay, so the area of this, the bottom here, this base. Okay, and if you notice that base is a rectangle, so base area is length times width times height. Alright, so you're always going to do 1/3 length times width times height. Alright, so let's do one example together. So we're going to write volume equals length times width times height. Alright, so volume equals, 1/3 length times width times height. 1/3 9 times 9 times 6. And then I'm going to simplify. I'm going to multiply 9 times 9 times 6. So 9 times 9 is 81. And 81 times 6 is 486. So 1/3, 486. And then lastly, I'm going to divide by 3, because it's the same as multiplying by a third. So my volume equals 162 yards cubed, since this is a three-dimensional figure. Alright, let's try one more. So again, volume equals base area times height, which is volume equals length times width times height. So volume equals 9 is the length. I always forget the 1/3. Alright, so I always forget the 1/3. So remember the 1/3, unlike me. So volume equals 1/3 times 9, which is the length, times 7, which is the width, times 10, which is the height. Really, if you multiply these in any order, it will give you the same answer. So if you don't remember what's the base, what's the length, width, and height, that's okay. You just see three numbers, and you should be able to do it. So volume equals 1/3, and then 9 times 7 times 10 is 630. I'm going to divide that by 3, and I'm going to get volume equals 210 miles cubed. Alright, so you should be ready to move on. Remember that volume of pyramid is 1/3 base area times height, or 1/3 length times width times height. Complete the rest of the worksheet. When you're finished, check your answers on Canvas.